Okay, so we want to work these equations here, and we have some here. So we want to start with this particular equation, how to solve it in a simple way. So here you can see that with this equation we are having root sign covering x plus 5 on 2, and that is equal to 6. So with this, you need to eradicate the root sign from there. So to do that, you have to square both sides. So we have root of x plus 5 on 2 all squared equal to the 6 also squared. So you have to square, that is what both sides of the equal sign there. So when that happens, the square root will cancel the square. So you be left with x plus 5 on 2, and this will give us 6 squared, that will give us 36. That will give us 36. So from here, the LCM is 2, or the 2 multiply the 36 here, so we have x plus 5 equals 36 by 2, right? So this will give us x plus 5 equals, this is 72. Then from here I have x equals 72, and this 5 comes here, that is positive becomes what? Negative here. So x equals 72 minus 5. That will give us 67. 67. Right, 67. I hope it's clear. So this one is very simple for us. If you have any questions also, you can ask. Now the next one, I want to look at the second equation here. The second equation here, we have x equals 3x plus 4 on 7. If you can try this and give us your answer before we solve it in 1 minute. Right, yeah, I'm waiting for the answer. So in the comment section, you can give me your answer to this particular question. It's very simple. So in the comment section, you have 30 seconds. Right, so let's solve it. So with this, also we have the LCM to be 7. So 7 will multiply this. We have the 7x equals 3x plus 4. 3x plus 4. Right. So with this, what you have to transfer this one here, so you have 7x minus 3x equals 4, equal to 4 here. So with this one, you have 4x equals 4. So you divide through by the coefficient of the x. So 4x and 4, the same thing here, that you want 4 on 4. So this cancels this, then 4 into this of that is 1. So x equal to what? 1. Right, so get that one, and let's see how it goes. Right, so the next one, I have the next one here. We have, want to solve this one. There should be y, sorry. Right, so with this, we have y as question 3. Y equals, this is 2y plus 3 on 8. On 8. So with this one, also the 8 will multiply the y here. So we have 8y equal to 2y plus 3. So we group like terms. That is, we have the y terms here. So we have 8y minus 2y equals 3. Right. So in this case, 8y minus 2y, that will give us 6y equal to 3. So you divide through by the coefficient of what? Y, that is 6. So we have 6y on 6 equal to 3 on 6. So the coefficient of y both sides. So this cancel this. We have 3 here, 1 into this 2. So y will be half or 0.5. I hope you had this one also, but that is very simple. I want to move to inequality question here. If you have this one, can write it down. Right. Good. Now let's check for the inequality here. The inequality question you have here. If you can all solve it. This one we have 1 on 2 bracket open x minus 1 minus 1 on 3 bracket open x plus 5 less than or equal to 1. You can try this before we solve it. That will help. 1 on 2 brackets open x minus 1 brackets close, we have 1 on 3, then brackets open, we have x plus 5 brackets close less than or equal to 1. Here we want to solve it, then also represent the answer on the number line. Right, so try it within 1 minute, then look at it. Right, so let's solve it and see. With this one, y. This we have the LCM to be 6. The LCM is 6, that is 2 and 3. LCM is 6. So this one expression, another one, and third one. So the LCM will multiply, that is 3 times here. So we have 6 times 1 on 2, x minus 1, minus the same 6 multiplied 1 on 3, x plus 5, less than or equal to 6 times 1. That is the first method here. you have 12 rules. So this is one expression times 6. This is also one expression times 6. Then less than or equal to what? 1. Right, so the 1 also multiplied by 6. So 2 into the 1, here 3 times. Then 3 here, 1. Here is what? 2. Right. So you have 3 by 1 are about here. X minus 1. Then 2 by 1 is 2. We have x plus 5 less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6. Right. So with this, you have to expand the brackets. Expansion of the brackets here. So you have 3 by x, that will give us 3x. Then 3 by negative 1, that will give us minus 3. Then we also have minus 2 by x, that's negative 2x. Then you have negative 2 by positive 5. Positive by negative will give you negative, so that will be negative 10. 2 by 5 is 10. So less than or equal to the 6. And so we have 3 by x, that is what? 3x. Then 3 by negative 1 minus 3. Minus 2 by x, that's negative 2x. And minus 2 by minus 5, that will give us negative 10. 2 5 is 10. Negative by positive is negative. Don't forget that replace the same addition here. So less than or equal to 6. So we group like terms. We are having 3x minus 2x less than or equal to 6 is already on the right side. So this negative 3 will move to the right side here. So that become plus 3. Then the negative 10 also moves to the same right side of the inequality, and that will be what? Plus 10. Then obviously we have 3x minus 2x, so that will give us 1x or x less than or equal to, we have, this is 6 plus 3 is 9 plus 10, that is what? 19. So some of the questions will tell you to find the truth set. If this truth set, you have your truth sets, just write it like this. X is like that, x is less than or equal to 19. Then if in case the question is asking for number line, you draw the number line within the range of your answer. The number line should be within the range of your answer. So since we are having 19, I can start from, let's say, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So where the 19 is, I'll just circle there, and I will shade, because there's equal sign under it. Values which are less than 19 to the left side. So you are done with the inequality, which is also very simple. Look at the steps very well. Right. Right, so we want to work the next one here. Right, so question that is 5. 5, we are having m plus 2 on 3 plus 2m less than 10. Less than 10. So if you can try this also, you can try that one also. Let's see. Okay, someone is saying the answer is 2. The answer is 2. Please indicate the question number that you are solving. Now we have these questions here. We have these questions here, so you need to solve it for us. Question, that is, we are on question 5 now. So question 5, 6, 7, 8. If you have any idea, you can solve it for us to see. Right. I hope you get a question. I want to go back to the board and work the solution out. So the questions are there. If you can try any of them to help us. Okay. Right. So let's get to the board and solve the question here. Right. So you can tell us your answers as we are working it. Then indicate the question numbers that I showed you. This is question 5. We have 6, 7, 8 also here. So here the LCM is 3, obviously. So we have 3 by m plus 2 on 3. Same 3 multiply this to 3 by 2m less than 3 by 10. Less than 3 by 10. Right. So with this 3 cancel 3. Then we have here we have m plus 2 plus 3 by 2m. That will give us 6m. So less than, we have 3 by 10. That will give us 30. That will give us 30. Right. So we have, this is m plus 6m less than 30. Then transfer the 2 to the right side. So that becomes minus 2. So this will give us 7m. That is having 1m. So 1 plus 6 there. That will give us 7. So that is 7m less than 30 minus 2. That will be 28. That will be 28 here. Right. So once you look at it, you divide both sides by the coefficient of m. So 7m on 7 less than 28 on 7. So this cancel this. 7 here, 1 here, 4. So we have m less than, this is what? 4. 7, 4, that's what? 28. So in case they are saying proof set or solution set, that will be m is like that. M is less than, that is what? 4. Right. M is less than 4. If they are requesting for number line also, you can draw the number line being the range of your answer. So with this, you have, because we have 4, I can start with 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the answer is 4, so I'll draw a circle here. Values which are less than 4, here you will not see because we don't have equal sign and the inequality less than, so you will not see. You just draw your arrow to the left side. Right. So this is it. Okay. So check the questions and work it for us. If you are here. If you are here. So look at the questions. Which one can you solve? Just solve it for us as we are waiting for the answers. Right. Right. We'll be back in about 5 hours time.